Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about query parameter in Power Query. So here you can see this is our orders table. Here category, city, all these columns are available. So I put a table view and put city name here. So here you can see how many cities are available. More than 200 cities are available. But if my work is only with 5 or 6 cities, if I want to check the data view of those 5 and 6 cities, so what I have to do, I have to go to filter, search a name and filter it out, again search a name and filter it out like this, right? So I want this to be dynamically. So what I have to do, so for that I have to go to home, then transform data. So in Power Query, so here you can see this is our city name. Okay, in Power Query I have to go to parameter, manage parameters, so then new parameter. So here I have to give a parameter name, like I am giving like city name. Type, so city name is text, so I am taking text. Suggested value, I need a list of the cities, so list of values. Then I am taking like names like Los Angeles, then Concord, then Madison, then Henderson, like this. Okay, so 4 cities are available. So default value, I want default value as Los Angeles and current value also as Los Angeles. Okay, click on OK. So here you can see a list is created. Okay, so here you can see Los Angeles, Concord, Madison and Henderson is there. So default value is Los Angeles. Okay, if I go to orders, then I go to city name, like city name. Here you can see this is not linked yet. Okay, city name is not linked yet. So if I select on Los Angeles, okay, this is coming as Los Angeles, but it is not linked with parameter name. So what can I do? So for that I have to go to advanced editor, this mQuery advanced editor. So here what I have to do, here you can see city is Los Angeles. So here I have to replace it with my parameter name. So city name, you can see city name, done. Now you can see city name is coming. Okay, so if I go to city name, I am changing Concord. Okay, then go to orders, go to city name. Here you can see only Concord is coming. Again city name, then it changed to Henderson. Go to orders and go to city name. Here you can see only Henderson's data is coming. Okay, then close and apply. So here you can see the data on the visual level also it is changing, only city name Henderson, and in map view also you can see Henderson data is coming. So if I go on put profit here, okay, only Henderson data is coming. So here you can see profit is only Henderson data. So if I want to change, go to home, transform data. Okay, change it with Concord, again close and apply. Okay, now you can see Concord is coming with both visuals. So like this you can use query parameter, and it is very useful when you have to use limited data set. from a big data. Okay, so I think this video was informative. If you like my videos, please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.